vlees, man. Weg vir 'n tydjie, man, nou is ek terug. Hulle vra my waar is die veer? Lyk ek geloop my nie, julle sit saam van die ouens of weet ek kom seer. Ek sê jy wat gebeur.
Yo, it's D-Rock, the GOAT, bruh.
Place goals to remove the procrastinator, betraying you to put aside your passion. You're on the same page of life's book, pick up the paint, beat the brighter picture. That specific chapter could possibly change your entire story plot. Just be patient and pay attention. There's no need to pull a pistol, pussy. Promise every prayer's gonna push you. Leave plenty of room for improvements of people.
Yo, it's D-Rock, the GOAT, bruh. What's good, familia? Don't mind the bad lighting. It's busy rainy at the moment, so the sun is gone. I see when I stepped outside, I made the sun so jealous that the sun had to leave. The sun had to pack up and leave.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
But yo, that doesn't mean I can't do the reaction still. I'm still gonna hop on the reaction. Nobody that you guys can't see me. Nobody that I look like a ghost to you, but I'm white, man. You're still gonna see me in the darkness. Not being racist or anything.
What the fuck? No!
But yo, I come sterk for this one with John Dre for this one. Just like this track's title is Kom Sterk, I come sterk for this one, Dr. Dre. But yo, we got no one other than Dr. Dre, Kom Sterk, his latest music video that he uploaded onto his YouTube page. And one thing I like about this, it's a Yo 6 beat. And you know Yo 6 and Dr. Dre, my bro, are like Dr. Dre and Eminem. Cause you know Dr. Dre was Eminem's beat making, producing and shit. Now, bruh, and 6, my bro, are like Dr. Dre and Eminem, bro. But Dr. Dre is most Eminem, and then Yo 6 is Dr. Dre. But this is Dr. Dre if he's rapping. Oh wait. And yo, without further ado, let's check this one
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
out, because we checked out the last the second track, the second music video from the first music video that he dropped. We checked out. Now we're gonna check out this one. I hope that sometime him and Jody Monk can drop a music video to their track Fair Fight. Because I would like to see a music video to their Fair Fight, because I really smoked to do reaction to that one, but I wanted to be in a music video form. I don't know why, but I just smoked to see a music video of that track, man. But y'all, we got no one other than Dr. Dre, Kom Sterk. Let's check this one out. I know for a fact this is going to be a banger for the books.
Yo, 6.
Oh, it's this one. Just as the way that Dr. Dre, on the snippets of this music video that he posted on his Facebook, I think he was standing on the engine part and like surfing the car, bro. That is the most G shit I've ever seen, bro. Imagine you go to the beach now, man. All his owns are coming with surfboards and stuff. Yeah, you come in surfing on your car, mate, bro. You come in surfing on your car. That's how I would be putting up to my matric farewell if I could ever go to my matric farewell. I would have pulled up like that, bro.
What the fuck? No! Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Just busy cruising on the engine, bro. Nah, that is a G move. But y'all, let's check this out. It's Yo 6 beat, so you know it's gonna be the shit.
This you?
One thing I can say about Dr. Dre, he never comes with the same sounding beats. Even though his like style is majority the same, ne? With like the way he raps and all that, but just the way that this man chooses his beats, man. It's cuck, no? The way this man chooses his beats and the way he can rap onto these beats. Cause I wouldn't myself even be able to rap on this man's type of beats, bro. If you had to ask me a feature, bro, and I had to rap on one of these beats, nah, bro, it's finished. I'll keep it a solo track, bro. But if you come with a boom bap, nah, I'm your guy, I'm your G, my bro. I'm your G. But yo, you hear this like piano, techno type of sound, man. See, that's what I mean. Every track, he's got literally a different sounding beat. Because a lot of people, they resample their previous beats and shit, and then they just put a little touch up in it, or they do a little something just to make it sound a little bit different. But nah, John Dre is coming with a totally different sound, totally different beat and alles. Oh, wait. Yep, Mac and Dre, your visuals, bro. Your visuals are crazy. Why are PE's menses, ne? Why are their visuals so crazy? Why are their visuals so spot on and so beautifully put together? That's one thing about PE, bro. Their photographers and videographers are the top tier, bro. Out of all the you almost say all the continents in South Africa, all the countries in South Africa, or me say cities in South Africa, because PE in Cape Town and that you cities most away.
Weg vir 'n tyd.
O, gevare genade, plare babe. Plaar die babe nou.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Wie plaar die babe nou? So now, Dr. Dre is not rapping on this one. Dennis the Menace is rapping on this one. Dr. Dre's alter ego now. He's evil tone now. He's rapping on this. O, vader genade, we know it's gonna be kak. It's gonna make kak nou.
Iemand nou is ek terug, hulle vra my waar is die veer? Lyk ek geloop my nie, julle sit saam van die ouens wat weet ek kom steer. Damn! Ek sê jy wat gebeur.
I'm walking with the whole entire gym because you know ek sterk. Sus.
Sal nooit trek aan my steer. Trap op die hoek het die ouens salute van my, julle weet ek kom steer. Steer. Ja man, ek kom steer. Steer. Ja man, ek kom steer. Ek kom steer. Ja man, ek kom steer. Steer. Ja man, ek nou steer bek in het zwart dool. Voor een six-pack, ek het een plank voor.
The way you just came into this thing, bro. My bro, you ate this thing and you left no comes, bro. Holy shit. Nah, I didn't expect you to come in already, bro.
Steer. Ja man, ek kom steer. Ek kom steer. Ja man, ek kom steer. Steer. Ja man, ek nou steer bek in het zwart dool. Voor een six-pack, ek het een plank boor. Zet sy wind door, ek is met kan so jylle buiten.
Fuck your six-pack, jy het een plank boors. Sus. This brass references down there. I'm gonna try and catch what this man's gonna say. It's balls.
Steer. Ja man, ek nou steer bek in het zwart dool. Voor een six-pack, ek het een plank boor. Zet sy wind door, mix.
Did you say swart drol? Oh, what? A swart doll. What is that though? Oh, you mean a black doll? Or a black poo? You want me to poo? Want to take a poo in my toilet, Clarence?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Kain koos hoe jylle byt niks, ek het byt koos. Ek aarke oude, like ek ren die oot en jy kry fok gewisse. So onder een deposit voel soos Harry Kane. So al my problems kop ek gooi altyd eerst en jy net dit te tos. Kuberkraker het die onderwereld, die sal so ek bezig met skien.
I also said, damn. Because what? Nah, this is one of those tracks that the balls are gonna go flowing over your head, my bro. It's like what Toosy said. Heads over heels, my bro. This thing's gonna put my head over heels, my bro. Sus.
Byt niks, ek het byt koos. Ek aarke oude, like ek ren die oot en jy kry fok gewisse. So onder een deposit voel soos Harry Kane. So al my problems kop ek gooi altyd eerst en jy net dit te tos. Kuberkraker het die onderwereld, die sal so ek bezig met skins. Like jy man, jy het hier keer so my tap steen. Kuberkraker het die onderwereld, die sal so ek bezig met skins. Like my op like jy man, jy het hier keer so my tap steen. Om my tap steen.
Yo, hate me or don't hate me, you don't have a choice to stand with me. Just sus. Nah, that boss speaks for itself.
On my top stand, on my top stand, brother man, on my top stand. On my top stand.
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
Oh yes. Certified banger. This is a certified banger. You know when Slaghuis says Slaghuis, man, is a certified banger, nee.
Ek terug hulle vra my waar is die veer? Lyk ek geloop my nie, julle sit saam van die ouens wat weet ek kom steer. Ek zie je we gepeer. Zal nooit trekken mijn steer. Trap op die hoeken die ouwe saluut van mij. Je weet ik om steer. Steer, steer. Ja man, ik kom steer. Steer, steer. Ja man, ik kom steer. Ik kom steer. Ja man, ik kom steer. Steer, steer. Ik agree het bro. Let die Egyptian.
This nigga just going crazy, bruh.
Wie doet mij te moer? Hou mijn naam met jouw bek. Het is warm, cold, het volcano.
Sus. Okay, now. Dr. Dre, I have to humbly admit. Well, now, Dr. Dre, I have to humbly admit that you are getting the sound effect here. I hear the sound effect put in place here now. Since that time you collaborated with San, you have been coming with more bars and like a whole different type of style and everything. You still been rapping the same and shit, but the way you execute the beats are totally different now. With the bars that you use and the lyrics you use. And I can hear it in the second verse, the sound effect in the second verse. Holy shit. Only the Egyptians can make more, because it's ancient.
Steer, ja man, ik kom steer. Steer, steer. Ja man, ik kom steer. Ik kom steer. Ja man, ik kom steer. Steer, steer. Ik agree het bro. Let die Egyptians, wie doen mij te moer? Hou mijn naam met jouw bek. Het is warm, cold, het volcano juice. Ik is underground, man.
Ik is warm. My mond or something is warm, cold, volcano juice. Cho. Because the shit that he's spitting in is so hot. It's like lava, the shit that he's spitting is volcano juice. He spit. The way that he's spitting on the mic and shit is volcano juice. And you know, spitting can also mean type of spitting, you know. Now that he's spitting volcano juice onto the mic, spitting hot shit on the mic. That's facts though, like a hot wing.
Met die Ninja Turtles, ik zijn mutant op mijn eigen DNA layout de circles.
Now listen, that's called motherfucking bars, nigga. You know nothing about that.
Ik zie mijn karakter, bro, die mijn ouwe niet stuk. Allerlei hij van je gooi van mij, maar niet waar in die bozak sluk. Damn! Ik stik mis, mijn bro, maar mijn bek gooi klip. En ik gooi niet mis, dan zet ik een rotsok op een kus.
Yo.
Hallo weer aan Nikom. Hallo weer aan Nikom. Hallo weer aan Nikom stier. Hallo weer aan Nikom. Weg voor het tijdje, maar nu is ik terug en de vraag mij basie.
Wow.
Damn! Lijkt ik een loop met die jellers en zam van die ouwens en wie te kom steer. Ik zie je we gepeerd. Zal nooit trekken mijn steer. Trap op die hoeken die ouwens saluut van mij jelle wie te kom steer. Steer, steer. Ja man, ik kom steer. Steer, steer. Ja man, ik kom steer. Ik kom steer. Ja man, ik kom steer. Steer, steer. Ja man, ik kom.
Ahoy. Dennis.
Ahoy, wat?
Vergetele man.
Yo, see.
This was actually phenomenally hard. Holy shit, this is extremely hard. Holy shit, Dr. Dre, blah. Dr. Dre, bro, you blew my bloody mind, bro, with this track. Holy shit. What got into you when you were making this track, bro? Who possessed you into making this hard ass track, bro? What rap god possessed you to making you make this track, bro? Holy shit. One thing I have to say though, I didn't see once that clip that I saw on Facebook when you like cruising on the hood of the car. I never saw that once in here. But damn, bro. This is definitely a certified banger. 3,000 times, bro. A certified banger. Holy shit. This is something that needs to be in the history books, bro. John Dre, Dr. Dre. Your name is going to leave a Morse legacy behind, bro. I know that for sure. Just keep this work ethic up, bro. Just keep dropping. Keep making music. Keep doing what you're doing. I know you spun in and all that, but still put that work in and make new music, a new mixtape and all that, bro. I know your legacy is going to be huge. the one that you're gonna leave behind, bro. This is top tier fucking rapping. This is so hard. Yo, I know I'm blazing this track so much, but damn, this is a perfect way for me to start off the morning. I literally woke up like 10 minutes ago, and then I went to go wash my face, brush my teeth, I put a clean shirt on and all that, and then I started doing reactions. And this is a perfect way to start off the day. Holy shit, Dr. Dre, you surprised me on this one. You did a number on me, my bro. You getoer me on this one. I must come strong with it. Kom sterk, just like the track's title, kom sterk. But yo, if you guys enjoyed this one, I'll leave the official link of this in my bio below so you guys can check it out. And if you guys want me to react to your music that's out on YouTube or it's out on YouTube, please leave the links in the in this WhatsApp group that I made, that I put in the description. Please leave a link in that group on all the latest stuff that you have dropped so I can keep updated and react to all the latest shit that dropped. And yo, if you guys enjoyed that one, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn those notifications on, because I know you didn't. I'm seeing you through this phone and I know you didn't, because I can see how much people turn those notifications on. And why is it only me? You guys must turn those notifications on and keep up with all the new shit that comes out. Just like I've been keeping up with all the new shit with you guys. Now I'm trying to help you to keep up with all the new shit. But yeah, there is another banger for the books. Definitely a banger for the books. But D-Dog the GOAT. I'm going to check in the next one. I'm excited for the next one, man.